Today I'm going to replace my rear brake from a Fiido D11. I think this job is comparable to other models like the Fiido D4S and basically all other bikes. But I never done it, so I don't know. Before I start, I want to show you the brake I chose. According to the internet, the Shimano BR-M375 is a great replacement, and it costs here locally about €50 or dollars per set. Two things should improve: braking power and no more squeaking noise. It looks quite solid and much beefier than the one on the video right now. Oh, and they included these screws and this small piece of plastic. Not sure what it's used for, but well, it's here. So let's get started. And what I'm doing here is completely wrong. Don't cut the cable. You can just pull the hood off of the cable. Then you won't damage it. I didn't have a set of good cable cutters as well, so you will see. I will damage this cable quite a bit. And here I decided to reuse the spacers and the bolt from the Fiido bike itself. So I didn't use the bolts from the Shimano. I don't know why I thought we needed a torque wrench, but you can do everything with an Allen key as well. Probably you already saw, my brake cable's too short now because I cut it. So I thought, let's remove that silver cap, and then maybe I can put the cable a little bit deeper into the brake. Here I learned about pulling those caps off. And then I discovered that these brake cables has a metal inside. So I wasn't even able to cut it all the way. This left me with one other choice, and that was to replace the entire cable, which I'm pulling now. Finally, I finished the job. It took way longer than anticipated. So now I'm going to go for a test drive. My apologies in advance for the recording outside, but I want you to hear the brake as well.